Okay, try this thing. This is like very interesting and you all are going to love it. This is my friend Gauri actually got me into the habit of this and I have not stopped. Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. So as you guys know that I have been trying to do daily vlogging. So if you guys have not watched my Miami vlogs yet, so I thought that if I'm going to Miami and I'm going to capture 4 days, so it's going to be like everyday thing. So why not continue it and let's just try to see that how it goes. So yes, I just took a break after coming from Miami for 1 day and here I am again. I started vlogging. So very good morning to all of you. Not good morning, right now it's 1:20 here and as you guys know, I'm joining in from Boston and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from here, Boston, and I'll be done in like August, but my commencement is planned in May. So yes, you'll also be seeing my commencement vlog, the convocation vlog, which is also going to happen at Fenway Park. So that's like one very beautiful thing that you would be actually seeing. But बाकी बातें बाद में, अभी हम शुरू करते हैं. So it's 1:20 right now, but it was day before yesterday I came back from Miami, so I took like a 1 day rest and my day has begun a little late today. Let's have like 1 cup of hot water right now. And what I did was yesterday night I prepared some good food as in I'll tell you what. So this is the food that you prepared. It looks amazing, right? So this is nothing but carrot and broccoli rice and I added Szechuan fried rice masala. So I love to cook and experiment. So this is something that I made last night. Okay, yeah, so I was talking about like if you stay alone in States or abroad anywhere, so you usually don't cook like all times, like for breakfast, lunch, dinner, because you are here, you're also doing your dishes by yourself, you're working, you are studying, and like you're all by yourself, so you don't have that much amount of time to like and it's just one person. But I make sure that I'm eating good. That is like one thing which is very important for me, that whatever I'm eating has to be really good. So my fridge, if you guys want to see, it's always stocked up with like berries. That's like a must. Then I also have carrots and bread and hummus. Carrot and hummus is a very good combination, by the way. And I also have like yogurt. So that is one thing that I make sure that is always there. My fridge is also stocked up, but it's mostly stocked up with all green veggies and fruits. We are ready, let's go have lunch. I've not had anything since morning, so I'm like I just had that hot water and now this is food. So you can see like it looks very colorful. People tell me that you eat like good food. Yeah, there is broccoli, carrot and Szechuan rice, and I also have like some side carrots and hummus because that is also important. If you're a vegetarian, you need to be like a little extra cautious, but having good food, you feel also good. So I've seen a lot of times, I also do like when I do cleanup and things like that, so I put a lot of things, so the desi kind of a thing to put on your face is like besan and all of those things. So I also put, and a lot of times people say that you put a lot of like aloe vera and things like that, or the oil that you use has avocado in it and so on and so forth. But I feel that if you eat that much amount of food, it's going to do better rather than like applying it on the face. Okay, try this thing. This is like very interesting and you all are going to love it. This is my friend Gauri actually got me into the habit of this and I have not stopped. So hummus, you get Sabra classic hummus, or you get a lot of variants also with carrot, like these baby carrots with hummus. Perfect snack. Okay, so it was indeed a very good workout. Only thing is like right now in Boston it's 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I know you guys would be thinking that 18 degrees, I am from Mumbai, so like 30 degrees, 32 degrees, but for somewhere around 8 months it's pretty cold in Boston here. Okay, so now I have personally got so acclimatized till the time that the temperatures don't drop like in minus. I don't feel like cold. So 18 degrees is too much. And plus the second thing is the houses here are made of wood, so it gets super hot. So 18 degrees, I can't, like I today realized that after working out, it was too much. I am like literally sweating out of the heat and the workout, but it was a pretty good workout. Talking about workout, I am like, I'll frankly tell you that I started like from this year onwards what has happened is my metabolism rate ideally is like, really good. So if I have to like, go to the university, like go to work, and if I do like daily things like that, so I'm pretty good. I don't need to work out or something like that. But last complete year, you are at home, although I was like too busy, but there's no activity being done. So I thought that, I'm gaining weight. I actually gained weight. But in the morning I was telling you guys that, switching to only like fruits, vegetables, and not having frozen food. So just restricting frozen food and spending somewhere around 15-20 minutes every day working out. Or if I'm not working out, I go out and walk somewhere around 5,000 to 8,000 steps. Just doing that, I have actually lost inches. And I feel really good also about myself, about my body. So that is why I make it a point that, even if every day it's not possible, so at least 4 days out of 7 days, I make it a point that, I am doing like 15 minutes of workout. The days I'm not doing workout, I walk in the home if it's like too cold outside. Ideally it is very cold in Boston, but these days I actually like, go out, take a walk, and like I calculate somewhere around 5,000 to 8,000 steps. So I'll just grab a quick smoothie. It's around 5:35. Yeah, 5:35 right now. So work is all done. It's a Friday. Like Friday is obviously if you are in abroad. I know right now in India also people have started like Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, but the Friday, if you are into meetings, or people wish you like happy Friday. So the weekend has begun. Since I'm recently back from Miami, that reminds me, if you haven't watched the Miami vlog, do watch it. We had crazy fun, bunch of 17 crazy people, super fun. So watch that vlog. So recently back from Miami, so don't want like this weekend is going to be at home. I have to complete a lot of my assignments and courses. The semester is going to end on April 30, so kind of very packed up there. So this weekend it's going to be home only. So let's have the smoothie now and keep going. Okay, so my glass is ready and this looks pretty interesting. Let me try. Very nice. I like it a little thick. So berries are basically very good in antioxidants. So for your skin, for your hair, instead of applying things on your face, have it. I know back in India, I think strawberries and all you get it, but here the thing is, if you talk about berries, the quality of berries is like really good. Like strawberries are sweet, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, all of them are like really sweet. Well, back in India, you get like the sweet ones, but you have to literally hunt for it. Like usually if you like just go out and grab, so a lot of times it also happens that they are not that good of quality. Okay, so I was telling you guys that I don't have any plans for the weekend. No plans as such, but I was just talking to Rohan and other people, like my ex-roommates who were there, and they were like, earlier they were planning to come here, and but right now somebody had like some work. So they told me that if you are free, then you can actually come here. So what I am going to be doing right now is I am going to Rohan's place. Mask is very important. Just waiting outside. The weather is wonderful. I can't explain you. The people who stay in New England are only going to understand the importance of this wonderful weather. I think my car is here. I'll talk to you guys. Okay, so I'm finally at Rohan's place. I don't think they're planning to go out somewhere. Okay, so I'm back home. It's 2:10 right now at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So we went there. I went to Rohan's place, and then there was this Miami clan, and everybody came in, and they were like let's do a Miami reunion. So it took me like a lot of time. I went at 8:30, 8:45, and right now it's 2 o'clock. But I had a fun chill time, like talking about Miami and everybody wanting to go again. And yes, this was my first attempt in doing like a daily vlog kind of a thing after Miami. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I would try to do daily vlog and continue it till I don't have like, you know, something very urgent and I'm not able to shoot, because I always wanted to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you enjoyed it, do hit the like button there, and there is a bell icon there. If you click on that, you will get daily notifications whenever I release a vlog. So please do that, and like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, and I would love to get some comments and feedback on how are you finding my vlogs, so that, you know, I can always improve. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye bye.